How's it going, folks? I know you already know what the video is all about by the title, so yeah, without any further ado, this PC was built by my friend and me. Yeah, there's nothing much to it, so let's jump right into it. The links to all the products will be in the description below. So let's start with the processor. We went ahead with an AMD FX 6300 with 6 cores at 3.5 GHz with a turbo up to 4.1 GHz, mainly because of its performance for the price, along with the stock cooler of course. For the motherboard, we went along with the Gigabyte GA78LMT USB 3 motherboard, as it comes in at being one of the best for its price. It supports 4 RAM slots along with 2 USB 2.0 and 2 USB 3.0 slots. Not to forget, it looks badass. To run the system smoothly, we opted for 2 HyperX Fury RAM sticks of 8 gigs each. For now, you see just one RAM stick in there, and that's because my friend suddenly decides to use just one for the time being to see if 8 gigs is enough for him. As for the case, we bought the Cooler Master K380 mainly because of its design. It has a window on one side, and on the other side we have plenty of room for cable management. It supports a USB 3.0 port in the front too. Moreover, it has got pre-installed fans in the front with red LEDs. And seriously, who can give up red LEDs? I mean, come on. This cabinet is a mid-tier cabinet, so everything could fit in easily. For the graphics card, we went ahead with the GTX 960 4GB variant, even though I told him to go with a 2GB card. But doesn't matter, it was his money anyways. Well, the CPU doesn't bottleneck the GPU, so after purchasing the graphics, we needed something to power this thing up. So in comes the Corsair CX 650 power supply. 650 watts is enough power to help maintain and run all the parts of this PC easily and without any stress. For storage, the Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive came in handy. Now the CPU is done. For the keyboard and mouse, my friend opted for a Logitech K200 keyboard mouse combo. Not the best out there, but gets the job done. This was mainly because we were out of budget. The keyboard's keys don't make noise and they are soft to the touch. For the monitor, we went ahead with an AOC 22-inch 1080p monitor with a refresh rate of 60Hz. For the speakers, FND A511 2.1 multimedia speakers were my friend's go-to. These were his choice and these are just amazing. The subwoofer provides great bass and everything sounded just perfect. For the OS, we decided to go with Windows 7. Yes, Windows 7 because according to us, it's the most reliable yet. Windows 8 just didn't work for him at first, but with Windows 7, everything went just smooth and great. Our personal favorite, Agario, ran expectedly smooth. Heavy games also work pretty well on the system. The cable management in the case came out to be pretty good in the end, but the cable management of the entire setup wasn't very good. Well, we will be working on it later, but for the time being, the cables sit behind the table against the wall. That was basically all for this entire build as of yet. My friend and I will be working a lot more on this PC in the future, adding more stuff and experimenting a lot here and there. If there are any necessary updates, they will be announced and or shared on my social media platforms, so you can follow me there. The links will be down in the description along with the links to everything else in this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me some thumbs, and if you love the video, give me some subs, and I'll see you guys later.